here's how to install a CPU. So the first thing we're going to do is take this retention arm and pull it up like this. Next, take your CPU. There's a pin there that corresponds to a pin on the socket. It should be right there. So next, what you're going to want to do is drop the CPU into the socket. This might take some time of lining it up. There you go, and then when you're done, put it down. Intel's a bit easier. So take this lever, push it down and pull it to the side, and then pull up. Take the shield back, put in the CPU, also corresponding with the line, also corresponding with the pin, and then just drop it in. Should look something like that. Put the shield down, take the retention arm, and pull it down. And that's how to install a CPU.